13 of the biggest YouTube ads mistakes to avoid. In this episode, I will show you the major mistakes people are making when running YouTube ads today. These are a collection of mistakes I made in the past, as well as mistakes I have seen my students and clients make. You definitely don't want to miss this, because it could literally save you hundreds and maybe even thousands of dollars in ads spent. We got so much to cover today, so let's get started. Mistake number 1. Using your current YouTube account to run ads. To run video ads on the Google Ads platform, you must first upload the video to your YouTube account and have Google run that video as an ad. Makes sense to upload the video ad to your current YouTube account, right? Actually, no. Why? Remember, YouTube is a social media and has an algorithm that determines the quality of videos by their engagement. When people see your ad, they either click on it or skip it. They won't bother to like it, and they certainly won't be able to comment on it. If YouTube notices that you have a video on your account that is getting a lot of views, but not a single like and comment, they will think it's a bad quality video. This will hurt your channel's reputation. It's the same thing as if you post a video and go onto Fiverr.com and buy tons of views for that video. You can't trick YouTube. They know those views are fake and will not count them. So it's a good idea to create a brand new YouTube channel just to run ads. Mistake number 2. Having only one Google Ads account to promote all of your products. How many types of products do you have in your business? Let's say you have a course on YouTube growth, a course on Instagram growth, and a course on Twitter growth. The best way to promote these 3 courses is to create 3 separate Google Ads accounts. Why? Because Google Ads is a machine learning platform. It analyzes patterns from how different people interact with your ads to make predictions to help you find the types of people most likely to convert. The people interested in YouTube growth may not be interested in Instagram growth. The same way may be true for people interested in Twitter may not be interested in YouTube or Instagram. You can maximize Google's ability to help you find targeted customers if you train it to look for certain markets and targets. It's like training 3 types of soldiers for war: a shotgun soldier, a machine gun soldier, and a sniper soldier. These soldiers are the most effective when trained for a specific purpose. Just don't give a sniper rifle to a shotgun soldier and expect the same level of performance. Speaking of Google's machine learning, mistake number 3 is using Google's machine learning to make decisions for you in the beginning. Google is smart, extremely smart. If it has data to work with, that is. But when you have just created an ads account with no data, even the smartest machine in the world have no idea what to do. It can only make guesses, and those guesses will cost you a lot of unnecessary ad spend. This is why when you start running ads in the beginning, do not select the goal to optimize your campaign for. I know it sounds cool, but don't do it. Because Google don't have enough information to know how much of a sale is worth to you, or even how to optimize your ad campaigns for leads if you have never gotten a lead from their system yet. You see, this is one of the main reasons why people lose so much money in the beginning when running ads. They are expecting Google to do everything, and Google can only make wild guesses at that time. Mistake number 4. Creating your ad and then doing research on where to target. I made this mistake time and time again. It goes something like this. I come up with a video ad idea that I think will be attractive to my audience. I write the script, film it, edit it, and upload it. Then I go and research for different keywords that I can target where my ads can run. And what happens is mixed results. Sometimes my ad does okay, and sometimes it does horribly. Why? Because I did the whole process backwards. I was supposed to do the research before I make my ad. How do I know what will sound attractive to my potential customers without doing the research first? Like when I ran this ad talking about Instagram profits in the first 10 seconds of the ad. I thought people would be searching for the word profits. But after research, I realized that people were searching for the keyword grow, followers, and engagement. When I found that out, I changed my script to put those exact words in my ad. And then bam! My ad view increased 200% and had more than half the people who saw my ad clicked it. Mistake number 5. Not scripting your ad according to the running time. Have you seen ads like these before? Hi, I am Steve. I am a fitness consultant with 15 years of experience and have been on TV talking about... Wait. You just wasted the first 5 seconds of your ad. The people with the best ads say things according to the running time. 5 seconds into the ad, they already hooked your attention. 15 seconds in, they qualify you to make sure you are sincerely interested. Otherwise, skip their ad and don't waste their ad dollars. And 30 seconds in, they are already giving you a compelling reason to click on their ad. Not a second is wasted. Don't worry, I will give you the details of scripting your video in future episodes, but I just wanted to remind you this right now. Nobody cares if your name is Steve and that you have been doing whatever it is that you have done for how many years. People's attention span is shorter than a goldfish these days. We advertisers have to get to the point immediately. Mistake number 6. Creating only one video ad per campaign. I know in the beginning it takes a lot of planning, scripting, and editing just to create one video ad. But if that is all you are doing, you will be missing out on tons of opportunities. Why? Because you have nothing to compare it to. If your one video ad gets 1,000 views and a click-through rate of 1%, is that good? Can you do better? How do you know if you only have one video running? That's why it's in your best interest to create at least 2 ads running at the same time so that you can compare what's working and what's not. Check this out. When I ran ads to give away one of my Instagram ebooks, I made at least 2 ads. The first ad got 100 views, but only one person clicked it and didn't even convert, and it cost me $5.94. But my second ad, promoting the same thing, targeting the same keywords, got 6 clicks and 3 conversions and cost me $5.28. If I just ran the first ad, I would have thought it was a failure and given up. Mistake number 7. Having one campaign with many ad groups targeting everything. Setting up an ad campaign can be super stressful if you don't know what you're doing. It may feel tedious to create many campaigns at one time, so people get lazy and do this. They create one campaign targeting keywords, placements, and topics. And then suddenly, their daily budget is spent in less than an hour, and they are left wondering how could that have happened? Is the money being spent efficiently? Are all the targeting options spending in equal amounts? Oh no, it looks like keywords targeting is sucking up all the money before placement targeting even have gotten a chance to spend a single cent. So how can you tell the campaign to spend more money on placements? You can't. You can't tell Google to spend more or less on one targeting over the other in one campaign. That's why you have to create several campaigns, each with their own targeting focus. Mistake number 8. Targeting all devices in one campaign. Do you react to ads differently when you see it on a desktop versus seeing it on your mobile phone? Absolutely. Do you react to ads differently when you see it on a tablet versus seeing it on your TV? Absolutely. If you were watching a YouTube video on your TV and you see an ad, it doesn't matter how awesome the ad is, you are not going to pick up your remote control and use the cursor to click on the ad. You just won't. If your potential customers' engagement behavior is different on different device platforms, then your campaign targeting must reflect that. Why are so many newbie advertisers targeting all devices in one campaign? That is a waste of money. They won't be able to scale their ads effectively, especially if one ad is being well received on one device over another device. Mistake number 9. No frequency capping of ads, so the same person is bombarded with your ads over and over. You don't pay Google for an impression. You only pay for a view. With that logic, many advertisers think, since I'm not paying for an impression, then why should I limit the number of times a person sees my ad? I'm not gonna limit it. Okay, following this logic, let's see what happens. You are on YouTube and you see this. If you're trying to grow and make money on Instagram, don't skip this ad because I want to give you a free ebook that will show you how to start monetizing your account. Not interested, so you skip it. You watch another video and you see this. If you're trying to grow and make money on Instagram, don't skip this ad because I want to give you a free ebook that will show you how to start monetizing your account. Not interested, so you skip it. You watch another video and you see this. If you're trying to grow and make money on Instagram, don't skip this ad because I want to give you a free ebook. Oh my god, I hate this person. He is so annoying. I want to give you a free ebook. Guess what happens? The next time they see your face, even if you are selling something else, talking about something else, they will be probably turned off even before you said a word. They just don't like seeing your face anymore. That's why it's a good idea to turn on frequency capping for both impressions and views for your ads. Mistake number 10. No exclusion of audiences so that people who have bought your product still see your ads. A similar thing happens when someone who already bought your product see your ad about that product again and again. How would they feel? Free ebook. Oh my god, that is so annoying. I have already downloaded your damn ebook and you are still asking me to download it? Jesus, why is this person so desperate? That is why we create exclusion audiences, so that people who have visited your website and have taken action will not see the ad that got them there again. Mistake number 11. Not using negative keywords in your targeting. You are running ads because you want to sell your products, pure and simple. Even if you are giving away something free, your intention is still to get them into your community so that you can sell them something later on. But every time you run ads, do you get people who sign up, download your free samples, and never ever buy? Why? It's probably because you targeted the wrong audience. Let's face it, there are people out there that just want only free things. They don't have any intention of buying anything. Because they never take the time to invest in themselves, they never grow. And yet they continue to watch free YouTube videos expecting somehow their lives will change. You want to avoid those people. That is why when you run ads, there is also an option to use negative keywords. Keywords like free. You want to exclude your ads from people searching for the free things online. Because it's extremely difficult to convince these people to invest in themselves. Mistake number 12. Always going for the sale and not the lead. I get it. You want to make money. You are spending money on ads and you want to recoup your losses immediately. You want a return in investment immediately. Unfortunately, it takes time for a total stranger who has never heard of you to hand you money. Yes, you can run ads that lead to a webpage that asks visitors to take out their credit cards immediately. The price point of those products are usually $50 or below. If you want to make the real money, hundreds or thousands of dollars, try focusing your advertising strategy towards getting the lead, like their email address, and setting up an email marketing campaign to build that relationship so that your cold traffic becomes warm. If you want help with email marketing, I have an email marketing academy that will teach you just how to do it step by step. And last but definitely not the least is mistake number 13. Feeling like breaking even is a failure. If you were running ads and it kept on breaking even, what would you do? You'll feel that all the work was a waste of your time, right? Many beginning advertisers think they have failed and give up. Oh my god, no! Please don't give up. If my ad campaigns were breaking even, I will still run it all day long. Why? Because you are still getting leads for free. Let's face it, paying for leads sucks. But once you have those leads, you own them. And if your email marketing skills are good, you own those leads forever and you can send them offers anytime you want without having to pay for ads. That is why breaking even when running ads is perfectly fine. I hope I'm not the first person to tell you this, but as long as you are not losing money, continue running your ads. Continue getting your brand name out there. Sooner or later, the sales will come. So what do you think? Which mistake have you made or are about to make? Did I miss one? Let me know in the comments so that we can make sure every dollar we spend on ads is not wasted. Now that you know all the major YouTube ads mistakes you can make, let me show you how to take full advantage of YouTube ads by using their 40-minute rule. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button because in the next episode, I will show you how to run YouTube ads based on Google search, how to find laser targeted customers by using YouTube ads' secret 40-minute rule. I'll see you in the next episode.